What's going on, everyone? Alex here at Verus Engineering, and today we are going to be installing a brake master cylinder cap on the FL5 Honda Civic Type R. And bear in mind, this does work on the FK8 Type R as well. So let's get after it. As you can see, we have a brake master cylinder cap, and yeah, we're just going to set it on top, and you should hear an audible click. So, oh yeah, I guess I should mention there are these little grooves in here, and you can kind of line it up however you want, essentially, but we're gonna do the right side up because I think that looks the best. And then you're just gonna want to press it down and you'll hear a click. And there you have it. Here it is with the cap off the car. You can see it's effectively just all one piece. Super tight. It's not going anywhere. Thanks for following along on that super simple install. It takes like 2 seconds. But yeah, as always, if there's anything else you want to see for this platform, specifically the FL5, let us know in the comments down below. Obviously, we are developing your typical run-of-the-mill Verus stuff. We're doing a front splitter, wing, all that good stuff. But if there's a specific quirk about this car that we haven't really addressed, let us know in the comments down below. We're always listening. Can't promise you that we'll make everything that we see in the comments down below, but we are listening and we love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.